Hey everybody, Rorree here. I'm back. I'm actually loving my hair today. Like I wish it would be like fuller, but I have fine. Like my hair is not too thick. But anyway, I'm kind of liking it today. Kind of poofing out. But anyway, I hope y'all are having a wonderful day because I am. I decided to record some readings, some sessions, give y'all a little bit of intuitive information, whatever's coming through me. Before our the solution event in the roses, lavender, and sage community. So I thought I'd do a little recording as I'm getting ready for that. Anyway, let's see. We will go to a reading. How about that? Because I let a whole lot of oracle stuff come out, and now we got a little reading that came out as well. But first, I'm going to do a gratitude card. So I have the attitude of gratitude for being a student of life and a teacher to others willing and wanting to listen. Hey, how about that? That must be for me, right? Okay, so I have an attitude of gratitude for being a student of life and a teacher to others willing and wanting to listen. That really is me all the way. I'm really grateful for that. I love being a student. I love learning, but I also love sharing whatever it is that I learn. I am not kidding. I have been that person. Every time I learn something, I share, and I'm not that person that keeps everything to themselves. I love giving back. I love helping other people to have everything that it is that they desire to have in life. I feel like there's enough in life for everyone to go around. So it's not like, so I don't like covet what somebody else has or get jealous off of something that somebody else has. Neither do I spend time comparing myself to somebody else because I already know that you have to pay your dues to have what it is because like you can spend somebody may come out and do something similar to what you're doing, but maybe they've spent a whole lot of time cultivating this and planting a lot of seeds, and when they do the same thing you're doing, they may have tremendous success and you may be crawling, and that's all on purpose. That's because their name is whatever their name is and your name is whatever your name is, and you're on two separate journeys, and this person may have paid their comeuppance and now it's their time, and it's not your time yet. You might still have some lessons to learn before you can receive whatever it is. And y'all can do the same exact things and have two different results because the thing that's different is you. So I don't spend time comparing and things of that nature. So um let's see. So I am grateful for being a student of life and also a teacher, and I'm willing to give, and I give all the time. I give back all the time. All right. So the reading that came up today was for those of you who are experiencing a little bit of worry and panic, or you've got so much going on in your life and you're feeling like you're being pulled in this direction and that direction and the other direction, and you just feel like things are eating away at you. You're like, geez, oh Christmas, help me. You just feel like life is overwhelming you and you're worried about everything. And this is the card that came up. You're just worried. And if you see this card, you see her, she's worried. She's got a vulture. She's got tarantula spiders crawling all around. Looks like they're bats or something flying around. It's like stuff happening all over the place. But then I think I see dragonflies as well, which is not such a bad thing. You know what I mean? And then outside the window, there looks like they're fairies or angels or something like that. But this person looks totally overwhelmed with what's going on in her life. And she's like, come on, take me away. I've been there before. So, this person is experiencing a lot of sugar. Okay, I get that from Madame So. Okay, so anyway, that sugar world, I love that. Girl, I borrowed that word from you, okay? I love that word. Okay, so anyway, so somebody or a whole bunch of somebodies, you're worrying and you're having a bunch of fear and you don't know what to do. You're having a bunch of strife. Um you're having moments where you just feel like everything is against you and gnawing and eating away at you. You know, there's back-to-back cards about this stress about something that's going on. It could be about a relationship, it could be about work, it could be that you're feeling unfulfilled, you don't know which way to go, you feel confused, you're worried. The answer is that you need to just relax because you have everything that you need to manifest and to have what it is that you desire. And those things that you're worrying about more than likely are not even going to come to fruition. I know it's some statistic and I can't remember exactly what it is, but there's a large percent, like it's like 98%, I believe, of the things that people worry about never ever manifest. And if you sit back, I remember one day many moons ago, I sat back and I thought about it, and I thought about the things that I've worried about, and those things never freaking happen. Okay, never. You worry about these things, shit don't ever happen. Okay, so just pay attention to that. You have what you need right now. You have what you need to go even where it is that you are trying to go. You have it within you. Sometimes you just need to maybe say some positive things to yourselves, some positive affirmations, affirm some things out loud. Look at my affirmations. I have affirmations all over the place. I've been putting affirmations out for years. I don't know how many years now. Maybe I don't know. I don't know how many years I've been putting out affirmations, about 9 years. I don't know. But even before I was posting affirmations on social media, I created a deck of cards called the daily prospermations, and it's part of the prosperity formula. And I developed that in, when did I develop that? Maybe 2006, I think. So read something positive every day to yourself. Sometimes you have to tell yourself some positive things about yourself. You have to speak out the positive things about yourselves, because too often we are speaking out negative things about ourselves and we're hearing negative things about ourselves, and we may have spent a lifetime hearing negative things, and you have to turn that around. But these cards are saying that you have it within you to do what it is that you need to do. Okay, God is with you, you are led, and it's time for you to release and let it go. It's time. So these are the last two cards. It is time. You got it. You got it. You cool. You got what you need. And it's time to release and let that mess go. Okay. So that's a little reading that came out for the collective. So that must be for somebody or somebody's that need to know that you have it within you. The power is within you. All righty. So I hope y'all enjoyed that today, those little words, and have a great one. If you want more, we are over there in Roses, Lavender, and Sage. So come on and join us. All right. Hopefully, when you're seeing this, you can come and join us at no cost, because there will be a cost very soon to be a part of the community. But those who get in now get in as a founding ambassador. So come on over and join us. And I will talk to y'all later. Ashe, ashe, ashe.